I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring where loss happens and why. Run ping and trace route to your gateway and to 8. 8. 8. 8. Then note percentage loss and latency spikes. This tells you if the issue is local or upstream. Next, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection to compare results, because wireless interference often mimics packet loss. Once done, reboot the modem, router, and the affected device, and document whether loss decreases. This immediate comparison directs the next troubleshooting steps. Once you isolate local versus ISP issues, dig deeper into hardware and configuration. Swap Ethernet cables and LAN ports, bypass any unmanaged switch, because a failing port or cable causes packet drops. Then check router CPU usage and firmware version. Make a controlled change like disabling Co-S or bandwidth-heavy features to see if drops stop. Also scan for devices or apps saturating the link. Uploads, backups, or compromised machines can cause intermittent loss, so pause them while you retest to confirm improvement. To finish, validate stability and prepare escalation if needed. Run continuous ping and packet capture while you revert changes and test at low traffic times. This produces timestamps and evidence to share with your ISP. If local fixes fail, switch DNS or try a secondary internet connection to confirm upstream issues. Make sure to save logs and describe exact symptoms and times. If things still go wrong, this one troubleshooting tip helps. Run continuous pings during every configuration change and keep the output for diagnostic review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.